Hi everybody, my name is Jessie Marks, member of the REF Stockholm North American Artistic Team. I'm going to share with you some of the key features and benefits, but also as a stylist, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks. So enjoy. REF was started in 2004. It's a family-owned business. It has 2 offices, one in Stockholm and one in Massachusetts, and it's one of the largest Nordic hair care brands. Our values. REF believes in simplicity, sustainability, and quality. Our belief in the perfect balance of nature and science lets us offer a carefully selected range of high-performance products. Our products are more than just sulfate-free. They're paraben-free, gluten-free, cruelty-free. Our care line is also 100% vegan and contains key organic ingredients. REF, it's Swedish craftsmanship at its best. The color preserve system that is in the REF line, it's not only in the shampoos and the conditioners, which we see in a lot of other manufacturers, it's in our hairsprays, our mousses, our pucks, it doesn't matter, it's in everything. It's a full spectrum UV, and it works off the sunflower seed oil. So if you guys think about a sunflower, it turns and follows the sun all day long and stays bright, it never fades. So that's how this works with our technology inside the color preserve system. So again, it's in every single thing that REF makes to protect that color from the inside out. Strengthening quinoa protein is also in everything that REF makes. And what we call it is it's nature's keratin. So it has a really small molecular size, and it is the closest plant protein to mimic natural human keratin. And you can't over-proteinize with it, which is awesome too, because we can put it on the hair and the hair will never become brittle or over-proteinized. So it helps repair, strengthen, add shine, and keep that hair really strong and healthy. And it's in every single item that REF has. So we're gonna start with the shampoos and conditioners within our line, and you guys can see them here. We're gonna start with the color series. So we've got our Illuminate color, and the key ingredient that we've got in this is our acai, and just an awesome antioxidant to help protect and preserve the color. People would ask, so who can use this? Anybody can use it. They don't even have to have colored hair. It doesn't have a lot of weight to it, but it detangles awesome and protects. So any of those clients that are maybe a 10 or a 20 volume deposit, and we don't have any other issues or concerns for the client. Let's say that there's damage, or they have curly hair, or they use thermal tools all the time. If they've just got this amazing blonde or red or brunette that we're looking to keep that color as impactful as possible, the Illuminate color series is going to be what you're going to want to use. We have it available in a shampoo, a conditioner, and a mask. The mask would be recommended to use weekly. Our next segment is the Ultimate Repair Series. This is probably one of my favorites. I tend to change my color weekly, so this is a great one. This actually has a hyper concentrated quinoa protein in it, so it's going to really help with chemical damage to the hair. So any of our clients that we're using a 30 or a 40 volume on, we're using, they've got a lot of highlights, balayage, things like that, where we're really looking to repair chemical damage in the hair. The Ultimate Repair Series is going to be our go-to. One of the key organic ingredients in this is the muru butter. So it really helps, it's that perfect balance of moisture and protein that hair that's been chemically treated needs. Again, we've got the shampoo, the conditioner, and the mask. Tip, the mask, they can actually sleep in. So this is a great one for the clients that we've just really done a lot of blonding services on, or she's always a high lift client and once a week she wants to sleep in this. She can, because like we said with the quinoa proteins, she can't over proteinize her hair. So she can sleep in it, and we have quite a few clients that will use this as a leave-in versus a rinse out. So you have options with this. Our third segment is our Intense Hydrate series. This has the coconut oil in it, and it's very hydrating to curly hair or dry hair. So it's going to be great for clients that, like I said, more of that curly, coarse texture. We know that within curly hair, it tends to, if we see frizz or different things like that, a lot of times all that is the hair reaching out into the atmosphere looking for moisture. So if we've got the moisture in the hair, we're gonna see those curls stay more bundled and stay more compact and closer to the head, and it won't get as big or as frizzy. The other thing that's great about the Intense Hydrate is this is gonna be for the clients that love their thermal tools. So clients that like to wand their hair, use the flat iron, they're using a curling iron all the time. The Intense Hydrate is a great moisturizing product for them. And again, within that, we've got the mask that you can use, and yes, they can sleep in it. This is also a great leave-in for curly-haired clients. So the clients that tend to have more coarse, where that hair really, really expands, and they really want to keep it more compact into the head, we have a lot of clients that love being able to get out of the shower, apply a small pump size, quarter size of this, work it through the hair, and then put some of their styling products over the top of it. It does not need to be rinsed out in the thicker, coarser hair textures. And then within the series, one of our last ones is our Weightless Volume. So this has citrus paradisi oil in it, which actually comes from the grapefruit. It's a great cleansing product, but it won't strip to the point that it strips color off, because again, like we said, everything within the Ref line is color safe. So this is gonna be for the clients that are looking for a stronger cleanse, maybe once a week, once every couple weeks, or those clients that always say, oh, I don't like a lot of shampoos and I don't use conditioner because my hair gets weighed down and it goes flat. Weightless Volume is amazing. Really lightweight, detangles the hair. It gives you a really good slip, but completely weightless on the hair. Our Cool Silver, this is also one of my favorites. The Cool Silver has blueberry oil in it. And if we can see here, I just want to show you guys, the color in this is pretty amazing. It's got a great anti-yellow key factor to it. So any of our blondes or our white or gray-haired clients that tend to start to see a bit of yellow from the environment, we still might have some clients out there that smoke where they're picking up that nicotine yellow in the hair. This is gonna be a great product for those clients to be able to keep it more of a toned, beautiful neutral blonde or white hair. This, again, does not strip the hair. It does add a bit of pigment to it, and we would recommend this being used once a week. One of the key things, though, that I will say that a lot of stylists need to understand with this shampoo is it's not a get the hair wet, shampoo it, and rinse it out right away. Actually, the way to use this shampoo is wet the hair, squeegee out as much moisture as you possibly can, and then apply the shampoo. Work it through everything really, really well, get good saturation, and then they wanna let it sit for 5 minutes. So shave, do whatever else they need to do in the shower, but it should sit for a good 5 minutes so that that blue pigment or that blue-violet pigment can go in and try to neutralize out any yellow in the hair, and then rinse. So our last segment in the shampoos is our hair and body shampoo. This actually used to be named our men's hair and body, but we took the word men off because so many women fell in love with it too. It has a really nice masculine scent to it. I love to take bubble baths with it. It contains almond oil, Arnica montana oil, and camelina extract. So there's so many good things about this, from good blood circulation, great cleansing to create a really healthy environment for hair to grow. And also the camelina makes everything calm down. So hair and body, great for going to the gym, taking it with you. It's also color safe, but it can be used from head to toe. And it does have a great scent for our guys out there. But like I said, awesome in a bubble bath and shaving with it. Within the care line, we also have 3 leave-in treatments. First one being our Wonder Oil, and Wonder Oil it is. It's silicone-free, and instead of being like some of the other oils that are out there on the market, this is not argan oil. It's actually marula oil. And what makes it different is the molecular size is so much smaller that it can actually get inside and help to repair the hair. It has antibacterial benefits and healing benefits. It's a much smaller molecular size, so it dissipates, the hair grabs what it needs to, but during blow drying or air drying, any residual, it just dissipates. So there's nothing left greasy or oily or that slick feeling on the hair. The other thing I love about Wonder Oil is we can cocktail it with anything within the styling line. It's an awesome cocktailing product. It's great for dry hands, the knuckles, the fingers. We get into winter time and our hands get dry. You can use it on your elbows. We use it as a beard oil and to do any straight shaving on the neck or the face. Huge as a beard oil for our men. So there's so many different uses for this. And like I said, cocktailing, it's my favorite. And I'll bring it up numerous times as we're working through the styling line in some of the products that I love to use Wonder Oil with. It can go in wet or dry, depending on the client's hair type. So it's a great product. Leave-in treatment. The leave-in treatment, what I love is it's got the coconut oil in it, but it's also hyper concentrated with the quinoa proteins. So it's almost like a split end mender. We can put it in the hair wet or dry. And again, it cocktails great with some of the other styling products. But this is a great one for those clients that have longer hair lengths that are looking for repair. So all of our clients that have any balayage work, a lot of highlight work, they're using thermal tools and they're looking to keep those ends long and strong, leave-in treatment is definitely gonna be your go-to product. And then finishing up the care line, we have our leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner contains the marula oil, which we talked about the benefits of marula, but one of the other things I love about it is it also contains camelina. And camelina has calming benefits to it, so there's so many different uses that we can use this for. Obviously, as a leave-in, a detangling, it's a great cutting tool if you're looking to keep that hair a little bit more damp and stay wet longer than just water. It's an anti-static, which is great, and an anti-frizz. But it also, because of that camelina that's in there, if we have the clients that have a dry or an itchy scalp, the kids that get sunburnt along their part line, there's so many different uses for this. And then one of the other things that we love as colorists is if we do get the clients that get a little bit of sensitivity, we can add 6 to 8 pumps of this into our color formula, and it takes that edge off for clients that are hypersensitive. So it's a great product. And the newest addition to the care line is our Color Boost Mask, which I'm super excited about. We have 10 available shades. They are a treatment for clients to be able to do at home to help maintain their color. They contain shea butter, so the hair is so slippery and shiny afterwards and soft. I have clients that I've definitely used the Boost mask on that when they get home are like, what did you use different? Because my hair feels so, so good. And I just wanna show you guys as far as the pigment weight for these conditioners, because I know there's other manufacturers that have them out there, but the pigment weight's not very strong. And if you guys can see how intense and bright, this is our Brilliant Pink. You can see just how strong the pigment is. So clients that want to keep their reds really, really intense in between color services, their pinks. We also have our ash blondes, our golden blondes. We've got our cool brunettes, our cool chocolates, different things like that. There's 10 of them to choose from. We can intermix them. We also have done them as back bar services in foils for a semi-permanent. They will only last about 4 to 8 shampoos. They don't stain the skin, and you could literally take a platinum blonde and work any of the masks out through their hair for something fun, a change, whatever the case may be. And in 4 to 8 shampoos, it's completely out of the hair. So they're fun to be able to switch things up, or for somebody that isn't necessarily ready to commit to a permanent color, but just wants to enhance what they've got.